Cheers.
Beautiful ladies.
Animal kayo.
Oh my god. It's not real. What about that?
Ayun, what a great performance by Tribo kami Danawan Performing Arts. At siyempre, kasama na rin doon ng ating mga cute na cute yung animal ambassador stuff. Here we go. And once again guys, that is Lakas, our white belly CEO with a scientific name of Halietus coastal areas of Australia, India, and Philippines. The white bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. Their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po, kalapang ang kanyang mga pakpak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na. Sinakas folks, palapagan po natin sinakas guys. Dito na lang guys, once they invite, they will latch on and dive on their target. Talents first. They are smart enough to identify which prey are venomous and non-venomous and will adjust their attacks based on their targets. Now folks, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors, but here in Davao National Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors. There you go, siyempre hindi din siya magpapahuli ang kanyang younger brother na si JJ. Ayan. Okay, once again folks, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, or belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, their pillars or ang kanilang matuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And also they have long
almost flew right to you.
eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan ang kanilang mga piling mata folks. Legit na legit yan guys ha, hindi sila magpa-extension. Okay na, hanggang ngayong hapon, magpapakin. 2, 3, and... Wow, what a perfect match. Mr. Bill and... The lion, that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Panabagan po natin. And that is Barak, our beautiful mata, ni Kuya Richie. Ang Kuya Richie, alright, no. Guys, mga kilos, nabita natin si Kuya Richie. Bibigyan kayo ng sunflower seeds. Okay, mga kilos natin na nasa harap. Ayan, lapitan natin si Kuya Richie. Kadang-kadang. Alright, nakadak. Sumunod. Yan. Marta, not inside the rack of the goes to the front, to the back, allowing them to grab items. So, marching ito, you're right. Love. Alright. Oh, na-touch. There you go. Sige, nasama number. Okay na yun daw. O, sige. O, paray. O, isa pa. Left, right, and baba. Good boy. Para ko kaya dahil daw dyan, boy. May high five ka to Kuya Richie. Now, high five to Kuya Richie. High five. One more. High five pa na, babe. Bakit? Okay, okay. Sa tindi lang yan. Alam ko ba, folks? Go! Okay, nung unang kukunin ni para, folks. A piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-coagulated parade. Okay, goodbye. Okay. Ano pa lang kukunin ba? And this time, a piece of leaf down, which is gonna go to the coagulated parade. Okay, may dalawang basura, boy. Okay, it's another piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-coagulated parade. Okay, that is the moonwalk we finished by Michael Jackson. So, kasi boy, pakita mo sa kanila kung gano'n kagaling ng moonwalk, tama na ang polo. Okay now guys, and this time, let's see his acting skill. Magaling itong umarte si Apollo, folks. Pang-artistahin na siya guys, parang si Carlo. Okay, now Apollo, what do we do if we see a predator? Anong gagawin? Ginagila? Ano si folks? Patay din po yung Apollo. That is their natural reaction po. They're doing that in a while to fool their predators. Pwede po tayo sila folks. Okay, one more po na win. Alam, Apollo yung mga dyan sa tabo. Itaas po rin natin win. Ayan naman si folks. Palapakan po natin si Apollo. Kuya Michael, is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Kuya Michael mo Apollo? Wow! Pogi-pogi. Kasi naman, nasa pogi, pakita ka sa kanila ngayon. Siyempre, hindi na ko magpapahuli guys. Okay, now, how about me daw boy, Apollo? Kasi na boy, look at me. Am I good looking? Pogi ba pa, Apollo? Pogi ba si Kuya Apollo? Napakabayos ko talaga po. Pag si Kuya Michael, oo. Pag sa akin hindi. Siyempre, aagay talaga si Apollo guys kasi and this afternoon.
Mary, is that the snake, Brandon? That's the snake that you touched? Oh my gosh. Oh, Brandon.